Hey guys, Jay here from Patch Dudes. And Hey guys, Jay here from Patch Dudes, and today we have something very cool for you guys. We have two packouts here from our foremans, and they will be running us through the whole thing and explaining why they have things where they have it. They both do it differently, and you might be doing different in your sites. I personally do it different than both of these right here. There's no right and wrong. It's whatever fits you best and makes it efficient for you. So in my left, we're gonna have Paulo. Paulo, come here. This is Paulo right here.
Hello guys, how are you? This is Paulo here from Pet Dudes. Almost I show you my packouts, man.
There you go. And to my right, we are gonna have Dawson, the hockey player.
Hey guys, Dawson here from Patch Dudes. Again, in a few seconds here, we'll show you my packout.
Beauty. All right, so let's go.
Okay guys, running you through my packout here. We start with the 3 here. The top one is always the first thing, just straight protection. So when we start a job, I like to have one packout for everything. So in here, we just ran through a bunch of supplies, but we've got the 1.5 inch tape, the 2 inch tape, double stocked on the 2 inch because we use that the most. The orange tape specifically for carpets. We usually have yellow tape. We ran through it all today. Patches just in case. They just fit here well. Plastic. We've got the small papers. We've got zippers. Anything to do with first day stuff, this is the one I want to bring in. So when I start a job, when this is in the truck, I should just be able to take it in just like that. Next thing, these are drawers, nice access. So on the top one, we have the putty knives as well as the drywall pans. So depending on the project we're doing, we have an 8 inch here, we have a 1 inch, 6 inches our go-to for most things. All of our stuff is level 5, and then we have some purdy supplies for scraping and whatnot. Bucket scoop, probably the best tool we have when we're mudding. We have both these are stuck together, a 12 inch as well as a 14 inch pan depending on the job we're doing. That runs us through the first drawer. In the second drawer here, we have kind of everything in between. We've got, if we have dirty paint here, we have a strainer. We've got paint brushes, mini rollers, sanding sponges, sanding corners for the pole sander, gloves, mesh. If last minute stuff, we have this pink stuff that dries like 5 minutes. It's super useful. This is all just kind of final day stuff whenever we need it. It's all small, so it kind of fits in the drawer well. In the bottom here, come on. In the bottom one here, this is all of our in-between stuff, so any of the larger stuff we have. So we've got the mud rollers here. We use the 30mm roller. Our soap for when we do the mudding, necessity. Absolute game changer. We've got our roller spinner, so not just roller, also paintbrush spinner, but needed. Again, necessity. Otherwise your rollers are not going to dry right. Another roller, caulking gun. Jay likes a different caulking gun, but this one works just fine. In here we have the 10 inch painting cage. We've got our 2 mud cages, so when we're rolling on the drywall compound, depending on what one we use, these are our mud rollers. We've got a mini roller, again, that goes with the other one. It just stays with the other rollers. We've got a 14 inch roller for the 14 inch paint roller. Again, depending on the job size, we'll use either a 10, a 14, or an 18. And this is the cage that expands up to the 18 inch roller. You can see the difference, right? So really big rooms, this is super useful. For smaller projects like we're doing today, we'll probably either go with a 10-inch here or 14. But the 18 makes you fly. And then the caulking is the last thing when we finish the job. So usually this one is all last day stuff, except for the mud and the soap. It's all painting, really. Other than that, that's it for my pack out. On the Paulos.
Hello guys, I'm here Paulo. This is my packout. I use every time, every day, and different job sites in the patch dudes. Okay, this packout I use the mud roller, paint roller 40 inches. I like 40 inches, more fast, more economic. The painting is better for me. It's better. I put the cages, spin rollers, and the sponge sand. That's it. Okay. And second packouts, I use tape, different spatulas, different sizes. Okay, 6 inches, 84 inches, different sizes. Okay, different brushes, level 5, pour knife. That's it. Okay. This I use the tint, the first coat in the mold. Different brushes, okay, finish the painting, filters in the painting, and different tools, the drywall repairs. Okay, let's go close. And the last pack out, I use the hand plastic gun, hand mask gun, caulking gun, my pen, the tint, okay, can paint, and the mud, the chops. That's it, man. This is my packout. My tools use finish. I do different works, different job sites, different ceilings. This everything. Okay.
So that was our pack outs. You guys got to see Paulo, and we had Dawson here, the hockey star, and just rocking it. And it's just very nice to see how they both think differently and how they both are growing onto better things and better efficient ways in their head to fly through these jobs. And yeah, that's it. Those were our beautiful foremans just here staring at me, just drying me down. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We have more coming. The next one will be me and Nora explaining our pack outs soon time. And yeah, that's about it. We'll catch you guys on the next one.